as tomorrow you are having the short test on the first two topic of chapter 6, that is life process, and the first two topics are nutrition and the second is respiration. So as the test is tomorrow, we'll be having a quick revision on both these topics. Okay, so the first one is nutrition. Different or nutrition. What is nutrition? The process of obtaining food by the organisms and its utilization in the body. The process of taking in of the food by the organisms and its utilization in the body. Different organisms have different modes of nutrition. First one is the autotrophic mode of nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, the organisms make their own food. By the process of photosynthesis. That is green plants and algae are autotrophic organisms. Second mode of nutrition is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In this, there are different subcategories. The first one is saprotrophic. Second is parasitic. Third one is holozoic. Okay. Now, saprophytic mode of nutrition means the organisms obtain its food from dead and decaying organic matter. Okay. Heterotrophs are the organisms which are dependent upon autotrophs for their food. For example, all animals, they depend upon green plants directly or indirectly for their food. So such a mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Under heterotrophic mode of nutrition, there are different subcategories. Saprotrophic, in which the organism is depending or obtaining its nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter. Parasitic mode of nutrition, in which the organism lives in or on the body of other living organisms. Example: lice, ticks, tapeworm. Holozoic mode of nutrition. In holozoic mode of nutrition, the organisms take the solid food in the body through the different steps that we are going to discuss further.